In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert photo to PDF in WPS Office without premium. 2226. We'll keep this simple and completely free using the built-in picture to PDF tool in WPS Office on your computer or laptop. Start by opening WPS Office. Once it's up, look for the Tools tab along the top of the window. Click or tap Tools to reveal a collection of quick utilities designed to handle common tasks. From there, choose Picture to PDF. This opens a clean workspace made specifically for turning images into a polished PDF without needing any subscription. Next, add your images. Click Add or hit the plus icon and browse to the folder where your photos are stored. You can select a single image or multiple images at once. If you're choosing several, it often helps to keep them together in a single folder so you can grab them quickly. After you've added them, you'll see thumbnails appear in the order they'll be converted. If something's out of place, simply rearrange the images so they follow the sequence you want. Put the most important image first if you want it to appear as the cover page. Before converting, take a moment to adjust the settings so your final PDF looks right. For page size, pick A4 if you're preparing documents for printing or sharing in a standard format. If you want your photos to keep their original dimensions and proportions, choose original size. For orientation, select portrait for upright images or landscape for wide photos and screenshots. If you want all your selected photos combined into a single multi-page PDF, turn on the option to merge all photos into one PDF. If you prefer not to merge, you'll keep them separate based on how the tool presents your output. When everything looks good, click Convert. WPS Office will prompt you to choose a save location. Pick a folder you can easily find later, like your documents or desktop, and consider giving the file a clear name that reflects its contents such as trip receipts or project photos. Finally, confirm by selecting Export PDF or Save, depending on the button your version of WPS shows. That's it. You've converted your photos to a PDF without premium features. If your file is large, try using A4 with Portrait and avoid unnecessarily huge images. If you care about preserving detail,